Welcome back. I'm Lex Levy and this is Ancient Odysseys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome back, explorers. In today's adventure, we embark on an epic volcano quest to locate an ancient artifact recorded in Japanese mythology, embedded in stone at the summit of Mount Takachiho, the spear of Amanosakahoko. Let's go.
It's a straight vertical hike up to the summit. Let's go. We're hiking on top of an active volcano. You can see people near the apex there. Little tiny ants. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Let's try to do rock and go back. Yeah, just a little shallow here at the bottom. So here at the top of this wall is the first place. And then you have to go down and then back up.
Wow. You can see all these pumice stones appear to be rich in iron oxide. We're on a volcano ascending to the caldera. Take a look at all this red pumice stone. You can see trees that have been toasted. Wow, look at this view. All right, let's hike up to the top and take a look at the caldera. Okay. We got a cloud over our heads. It's rolling in. almost there. How you doing, Taru?
Not good.
We're close, right? I may walk along this ridge here. We're very close. I can feel it. There's Taru. Out of the mist. The caldera is right here. Hundreds of feet down. But you can't even see it because of the mist. Jeffrey? Well done.
This is crazy. We're literally walking along the edge of a volcanic crater. So, I mean, this is literally the edge of the crater.
Whoa! Take a look. I'll stay far away from the lip.
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I wonder the last time it's been active. I didn't feel any burps or hiccups.
Look at this.
That's wild.
We just got up here to this ridge. And this early and metaphorically. It's hard to breathe up here, but it's also just staggeringly beautiful. I didn't think we were going to look down into a volcanic caldera, but I mean, that is crazy. See the somehow have to bring that thing all the way up.
Oh, should we add a stone?
We should.
Let's
see many of these.
add a stone, babe. Which stone?
Rocks in the pile. I wonder if just everybody's that's done that's made it all the way up here.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think pick one.
Pick a good one. There you go. Yeah. Add it to the pile. All right, there we go. Now, in a few hundred years, I'll have another mountain up here, and all these stones will be gone.
I'm so lucky to be able to do this. Still going up.
Modern one installed right next to the ancient. So before I turn it up. This is my first on-camera appearance.
But you can see it went up 1,005.
That's the highest I've ever seen.
Yeah. And this one screenshot is 1,000.
Right there at the
On the east
flagpole
corner.
with the
Yeah,
lightning
flagpole
rod.
on the east corner, opposite side.
Huh.
So this is the lightning rod.
Yeah. I think that one is. Yeah.
So we investigated a little bit more just to be accurate.
The caldera is just right here. Oh. Slippery going down. We just
Tell the people what we did.
So today we just low-key climbed a volcano and went around the caldera.
Yeah,
No big deal.
The most epic 4-hour hike around the edge of a volcanic crater. Wild.
It was badass.
All to see a sacred artifact at the top of this mountain behind us.
Great success.
So now it's snack time.
We're starving.
Dried figs. They taste just like the filling of Fig Newton. Like the heart of a pineapple.
I love those.
Super fibrous. And these are absolutely delicious. These guys right here. And
Nuts.
soy sauce covered nuts. Awesome. Today was epic. Ancient Odyssey is the land of chem. Go check it out.
All right. Tara was prepared. Thank you.
Try one, take one.
He brought Tengu jerky. It's his favorite.
Soy sauce flavor.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, pick up some merch, and stay tuned for more epic adventures from Ancient Odysseys. Never stop exploring. If you want to support our expeditions and research, pick up some Ancient Odysseys merch.
市内に、タッパーウェアってご存知でしょう、海外にあるタッパーウェア、そこでこうして指導をします。
へ
She's preparing soba noodles first for us.
機械でする場合もありますけど、そうなの、こんな簡単にできるのって思うと思う。
じゃあさ、その粉に対して同じ量がちょっと少なめの水って感じ？
半分。
半分ね。
この量に対してね。
量に対して半分なんだ。
だからご自宅でするときはお茶碗、お茶碗に少し粉を入れて、するとお味噌汁碗2人分ぐらいはすぐできる。これで。
You ready to try this?
I'm ready.
We just climbed the volcano. Starving.
初めて見た。
ね、こんなしてね。とても懐かしいって。手が汚れないぐらいに作るので。
So Tara was saying that she prepares this with 100% buckwheat.
これが今からね。これね。
She's getting the right firmness and adding a little more of the flour
On the top here.
to get it just right. It's gonna be good. We just missed the rain.
本当にね。しらってたって十分大丈夫なんですよね。
Soba noodle.
これタッパーウェアね。タッパーウェアご存知ね。タッパーウェア。
Yeah.
世界のタッパーだからね。家庭用にこんなしてね。
Now she's rolling it out. It's quite the process. Okay. Wow.
上手に切りますね、さすが。
おう、そんなこと言ってたら大丈夫かな。
So that's how it's done. Wow.
こんなになるとここ。
It's an amazing process.
Knife skills.
So fast.
でこんなにここね、これね、
端ね。
端っこは、最近私が考えて、これね、
お団子にするの？
違う。
Ooh, special
長さを
Who gets that one?
すごい。
こう OK。
Woo! Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Serious ninja skill. Fast with the knife.
Very fast.
どうぞ。
Arigato gozaimasu.
10割そばですからね。
This is the final product.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Can't wait.
If you like chili, you can put some of these, you know.
美味しいですよ。どうぞゆっくり。
はい、いただきます。いただきます。
What are those called?
Tofu here. I thought that might be an egg, but I'm pretty sure that's tofu. We got some onions, green onions, and the noodle.
This is the deep fried thing. What they say tempura. It's the fish, deep fried
fish
fish
paste.
paste. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll do the fish paste first. You know, this is my favorite.
お口に合いますか？
美味しい。
Good.
効いてて。
He loves it.
Another fried fish paste.
Let's go.
Alaska. Yeah.
We're gonna learn the proper way to drink matcha.
We'll ask first.
Okay.
I mean, you start from the sweet usually.
Oh, we start with the sweets here. I
Yeah.
like that. Which one?
Whichever one.
Let's do the vitamin first.
What? Did you get a kit?
What do you think? You're filming me.
Vitamin D.
It's a Flintstones vitamin.
Okay, go for it.
Okay.
Yeah. Before
What's
writing
this, a
them
red
down,
bean?
bubble. Creamy bubble.
This guy. So it's probably a bean paste sweet of some sort. These little red beans. Okay.
立てますね。
She's going to teach us how to drink.
座りましょう。
Proper way. Let's go.
霧島のアモリ川焼きというお茶碗ですね。
ここからは県内各地の大学サークルを紹介するフィリピンサークルの時間です。今回は鹿児島大学の郡本キャンパス女子バスケットボールの方に来ていただきました。
Using a bamboo whisk.
はい、鹿児島大学教育学部2年キャプテンを務めています。平川葉月です。よろしくお願いします。
はい、どうぞ。
Alright.
これも霧島のお茶碗なんでね。
じゃあ正しい飲み方を教えてください。
まずお菓子を食べる。
そうだね。全部ね。
はい、全部食べちゃいます。
So both eat these first.
The sweets?
Yeah.
これは3本ですから手で。ね。はい。
はい。で、はい。
で、お茶碗を取ります。
は
失礼します。
い。はい。
まず右利き左利き。
僕はギッチョです。
じゃあ
左。
左でいいです。
はい
左。で
僕は
反対に
レフテ
せます。
ィ。いや。
ね、でこうして反射をします。私右利きなんで逆にします。で正面、今柄が少し入ってます。正面、
はい。
ここのちゃんとね、それを少しこう避けるという回すんじゃないんです。避ける、ね。で正面避けて何もないところで三口半、三口半。けどたっぷり入ってますから三口半以上で、まあゆっくりでブレーコーで結構です。
So usually there is a nice illustration. Oh yeah, you already turned it around. Yeah.
Oh, you knew.
So you don't wanna drink from that. So you
can-
just slide them off.
避ける。
Yeah, and then drink
意
from
味
the
があります。
regular.
日本語では謙虚な気持ちでいただく。謙虚な
So this is the way that you go off center, just like a playing at the Shinto shrine. I always say you don't go in the middle, right? You wanna go a bit off center. That's to say you are humble. So that's the meaning that.
で、三口半だけどたっぷり入ってるので、
Yeah.
ブレイコーでいいです。
And we usually say drink in a 3.5, swing, but this is quite a lot, so you can take as many, swing as you
フリー
need.
ドリンク。
Yeah. Take your time.
郡本キャンパスでのバスケ部の活動を再開させていただきました。
美味しいですか？
桜のキャンパスってやっぱ
苦くないと思うよ。
美味しい。
飲みやすいと思う。
これから部活なんだよねって言って
It's more like one for me.
見てたんですけど、やっぱ
break it into 3.
Very good.
最後ぐらいですか？最後ぐらい。もうちょっと、あ、まだだ。
まだもうちょいゆっくり
あのね、じゃあゆっくり飲んでその泡をずーっとしたためます。ギリギリまでこぼれない程度、こぼれない程度。それで最後にその泡を吸い切りの音、こうやってて、やってて、それから吸い切りの音、吸い切りの音で全部飲んじゃうの。
So you kind of have to suck it up all the bubbles.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, he did. もう超やりました。もう
吸い切りの音ね。待って、お茶碗持ってて、まだ。で飲んでしまう。ね、それから飲んでしまった
As
ら
long as the adornment
飲み口を
is not facing you, you're fine. Okay, good.
逆で。
Good.
そう
Alright.
これでここで。
Yeah, just drink it.
Once you finish drinking, で戻すのね。
そう、本当に。
戻して
はい、ごちそうさまというのが正式でですね。
簡単そうに言うじゃないですか。
いやいやいやいや
そんなもんじゃない。まあでも状況ではそうですね。
Very good.
大体
じゃあこうやってこう
Tiny bubbles. That's
So good.
表面を軽く避けるという謙虚な気持ちでいただくのが赤ちゃん。回すのって言われたら回すんだよ。いやいやいやいやいやいや。
はい。
だってそれぞれの絵が違うんです。日本の方にはだから回すんじゃなくて
避ける感
これがね1000万の茶碗だったらさ、この絵絶対避けて飲むでしょ。
That was really sweet. We learned a lot today. Oh, she's still. Bye. She's sending us off.
If you want to support our expeditions and research, pick up some Ancient Odysseys merch.